same operator that was doing the tractor over there is the lamb's foot driver. Well, he's not going to do it. I was going to give him a water, but that does about the same thing as a bunch of pigs wallering with lamb's foot drum out there. A lot of weight right there pushing down, and those stobs right there pushing it randomly set. It packs the ground down real good where there ain't no settling. He's on a bit of an angle now, so I imagine he'll take some of that fresh dirt and shove it in there. But he packs it down in layers. That way it's not soft down below and then hard on top. And then after a little bit of shaking, it settles out and you got dip spots. So the way I understand it, if you run a lamb's foot like he's running, that's what they call that, lamb's foot, over it in different depths. As you put the stuff down, it packs it down good. It's in layers. Okay, I'm not going to do a real long video on this one. I just wanted you to see what a lamb's foot does. It packs it down in layers. Every time you run over it, it packs it down to the last time that you did it. That way, when it's all leveled off and ready to pave or dig foundations or whatever it is, you don't have to worry about the ground settling because of soft dirt. That makes it real hard. Alright, love everybody. Remember the golden rule. Do unto others as you'd have them do unto you. Y'all like and subscribe, hit the bell, make comments. And it's General. I'm out. Look at that flag waving pretty.